Learn about farm animals with Arty on the farm. As with all of our hybrid modules, your pack is sent to you in the post wherever you are in the world. Inside you will find a bilingual book, 10 worksheets, a progress card and stickers, and a fantastic pop-up farm scene to make. That's only half of it. You also have access to the members only area of our website. Inside the portal you have a choice of videos to watch. Let's start with the story. You can hear it in English and in French.
The mare and her foal had some crunchy carrots and apples. They were very happy. Plouf! Ils atterrirent tous dans la mare aux canards.
There's lots to see and do while we guide you through completing the worksheets, make the project with you, and of course, learn all about French animal noises with the fun song and actions.
Dans le champ, la vache fait. Dans le champ, le cheval fait.
Sign up on the website. We also offer Zoom classes in a group or privately. Contact us to see what the best option for your puce is. What did the pig say again?